Fluffy white bunny, hopping through the day. Do you have some carrots? Yes, sir, hooray! One for the farmer, and one for the cook, and one for the baby who loves to read a book. Hop, hop, bunny, jumping here and there. Do you have some lettuce? Yes, sir, a pear. One for the teacher, and one for the clown, and one for the children when they sit down. Fluffy white bunny, nibbling on a pea. Do you have some candy? Yes, sir, 3. One for my sister, and one for my brother, and one for my friend to share with each other. Hop, hop, bunny, dancing in the sun. Do you have some giggles? Yes, sir, a ton. One for the puppy, and one for the cat, and one for the baby who claps at that. Bunny, jumping here and there. Do you have some lettuce? Yes, sir, a pear. One for the teacher, and one for the clown, and one for the children when they sit down. Caterpillar, tiny and slow, creeping where the green leaves grow. Nibble, nibble, munch all day, chewing all the leaves away. Round and round he crawls so neat, little legs go tippity-treat. In the sunshine warm and bright, caterpillar eats with might. Time to rest, he builds a bed, spins a cocoon above his head. Sleeping, sleeping day by day, dreams of flying far away. Wake up, something new. Cocoon is cracking, peek-a-boo. Stretching wings so bright and wide, butterfly takes off to glide. Fly, fly, butterfly free, dancing, twirling happily. Colors shining in the sky, wave and watch him flutter by.